Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a bunny from behind. So here you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw the bunny from behind. I'm starting with its long ear. Here's its head. Here's its shoulder. And this is its back. Let's draw its tail. This is his foot. My drawing is done. Let's do the coloring. I'm using brown color. For the rest, I'm using a pale orange color. I'm using my pencil a bit. My coloring is done. Wow, it's looking amazing. Thank you so much for watching.